morning children, this is Sumalata, Maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to start the revision on decimals. Yes, children, have a look at this place value chart here. See, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and it is a decimal point, children. Decimal point after places will be the 10th place, 100th place, and 1000th place. 10th place nothing but its value is 1 by 10, and 100th place nothing but 1 by 100, and 1000th place nothing but 1 by 1000. See how we will get this 100th place, children. This number, the 1000, when you are dividing by the 10, so you will get the 100. 100 when you are dividing by 10, then you will get this place. Okay, this 10 when you are dividing by 10, so you will get 1. Okay, after dividing this, what you will get here? So from here to here, that's 1 when it is dividing by 10, then you will get 1 by 10. 1 by 10 when you are dividing by 10, so you will get 100th place, which is 1 by 100. And 100th place when you are dividing by 10, so you will get 1 by 1000th place. Okay, so these are the places children. This is a decimal point here. This is a decimal point. Decimal point left places will be the integral part. We call it as integral part. Decimal point left side places will be the integral part, and decimal point right side places will be the decimal part. Okay, integral part starts from the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and decimal part starts from the 10th, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, lakh, like the children. Yes, have a look at these problems, children. Here, first one, write in words. The given decimal number we need to write in words. First, you write the places, decimal point before its ones place and its tens place. And here decimal point after its 10th place, and it will be the 100th place. Okay. Now, how decimal point before left side number, we can read it as it is, like general number, children. Now here 2, 4, what it will be? 24 in words here. So 24, and decimal point you should write in words. 24 point here. 24 point, and decimal point after we need to read the digits individually here. So 24.30. This is in words, children. Okay. So 24.30. And coming to the expanded form. Next one is expanded form. We need to expand the one number into the many numbers. So first we write the places. Decimal point left side, integral part is ones and tens, and decimal part is here 10th place, and next 100th place. 10th place and next 100th place. Come on here, 10th place. First 15. How we can expand here? Integral part here. 15 is in 10th place, no, so 1 is in 10th place, no, so its value is 10 plus 5 is in 1's place, no, so its value is 5, or else 1 into 10 here. You can take it here, 1 into 10. 1 is in 10th place, so 1 into 10 plus 5 is in 1's place, so 5 into 1 plus 1 is in 10th place. 10th place means we need to write it as a 1 by 10, means this 1 into 1 by 10 plus, and 6 is in 100th place, no, so 6 into 1 by 100. So now simplify this. 1 into 10 is 10 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 into 1 numerators you should multiply children here 1 ones are 1 by 10 plus here 6 into 1 6 ones are 6 by 100. This is the expanded form of the given number. And now put less than or greater than or equal. We need to keep the symbols children. How to keep the symbols between this? First, before comparing children, before writing the ascending order, descending order, or before keeping the symbols between the greater or less than symbols, see, first you need to change the given decimals into the like decimals. Like decimals and unlike decimals means what? Decimal point after, if we have the two numbers with the same number of digits, so that type of decimals are like fractions. Sorry, like decimals. Like decimals nothing but here 2 digit decimal point after. Here also it should have the 2 digits only. Okay, so that type of numbers are like decimals. But here coming to this problem, 2.35, 2 digits we have decimal point after. And coming to here 2.4, only 1 digit we have. Means these two given numbers are unlike decimals. Okay, so first you convert that into the like decimals before comparing the two. So 2.35, 2 digits no, here only 1 digit we have. So here to change into the like decimals I can keep it here 0. To change into the like decimals I can keep it in the 0. Here 2 digits and now here also 2 digits we have. So these two are the like decimals. Now how to compare that? Yeah, how to compare means first we need to check the integral part of the two numbers. Now comparison started children. Integral part of the two numbers. Here 2 we have, here 2 we have. Integral part is same children for both numbers. So then if integral part is different means you can identify which is a smaller and which is a greater. If these two are the same, integral part is same means then you go to the decimal part. Decimal part means here you see decimal part first place 10th place 3 and here 4. Which is a smaller and which is a bigger? 3 is a smaller, 4 is a bigger decimal part of the 10th place. So 3 is a smaller means this total 2.35 is a smaller than the 2.40. Means here you will get less than symbol. Means 2.35 is a smaller than the 2.40. Okay. First you need to change the given numbers into the like decimals. Later you should compare children. Now coming to the ascending order. Ascending order means what here? Small to big. We should arrange the given numbers from small to big. Okay. How we can arrange the small to big? First, here also like comparison only no. First you need to change the given numbers into the like decimals. Come on. First you check that all numbers has the same number of decimal part or not. Same number of digits in the decimal part. 1, 2 here. Decimal part only point after digits once you check here. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 2, 2 and here we have 3 3's. Okay. So to change into the like decimals we need to keep here 1 0 and here also 1 0. In first number, second number we need to keep zeros to change into the like decimals. Now I changed into the like decimals. Okay. Now after changing into the like decimals you need to check the integral part of the every number. Integral part means point left side numbers. Here in the first number 3 we have. And here in the second number also we have 3 and in the third number also we have 3 and in the fourth number also we have 3. Means integral part is same for all given numbers. Then you go to the 10th place decimal part of first digit. Okay, first digit of decimal part. 2, here point after children 4, 4, 3. Which is a smaller here? Smaller we require no? Ascending order means 2 is a smaller means first place to this. Okay, first place to this all number. Okay, now remaining 3 more numbers are there. Again you check the 10th place for that. 4, 4, 3. Sorry, 4, 4, this 3 decimal part means 10th place. Point after digit children 3 we have. So the 3 is smaller than this the remaining numbers children. So I am circling here and I am giving the second place to this. Now, the remaining leftover numbers are these two, 3.450, 3.452. Okay. Now, integral part is same and 10th place also same. Then you go to the 100th place for the two numbers, 5, 5. 100 also we have same children. Then you go to the next 1000th place. 0, 2. Which is the smaller in these two in the 1000th place? So 0 is the smaller. So I am giving third place to this number, and fourth place obviously this number will be into the fourth place. Come on, let's arrange here ascending order. 3.250 and second one is 3.349 and third one is 3.450 and the last one is 3.452. This is the ascending order for the given number children. Okay. Now coming to the next bit, decimal number, descending order. We need to arrange the given numbers into the descending order. Descending order means what? We need to arrange the given numbers from big number to small number. We are arranging from big number to small number. Come on, let's first, before arranging, first you need to check the given numbers are like decimals or unlike decimals. Here means point after digits you need to count 1, 2, 3 in the first number. Point after 1, 2, 3 in the second number. Point after only one digit in the third number. Point after two digits in the fourth number children. The given numbers are unlike decimals. First you change that into the like decimals. So the three digits are the bigger numbers children. So the remaining other numbers means which numbers has the less number of digits you need to keep at the last zeros to change into the like fractions. So here 3 digits, here 3 digits, here 1 digit. I require the 2 more zeros at last to change into the like decimals. Now I get the zeros and I change this into the like decimals. Coming to this problem, coming to this number here, 2 digits we have. So here if we keep 1 0, then it will change into the like decimals. Now I have changed this all into the like decimals. Come on, let's arrange it. Means let's give the places to that. Okay. Now first integral part you need to check. 5, 5, 6, 6. So which one is the bigger? We require the bigger one first. Which one is the bigger here? 6 is the bigger. But 6 we have for these two numbers here. Okay. Third and fourth number has the 6. So for that two numbers we need to change the decimal part here. Decimal part is 10th place. 2, 1. So which is the bigger in this? 2 is the bigger children. So I am giving first place to this number 6.200. And now again 5, 5, 6. 6 only bigger. So I am giving second place to this number. Over. Now the leftover numbers are 2. Come on, let's compare this. Integral part 5, 5 we have, same we have. So go to the decimal part which is 4, 4. Same we have in the 10th place. Then you go to the 100th place 2 and 8. Which is the bigger in this? 8 is the bigger. So let's give the third place to this. And obviously this will be the fourth place. Okay. Come on, descending order. So first number here 6.200, comma 6.180, comma third place 5.482, next 5.428. So this is the descending order children. Yes, have a look at this addition question children. What they given here? 6.428 plus 16.0416 plus 310.1842 children here. Now first you take the first number children. Come on, let's arrange this in column here. 6.428. After this, when you are bringing down the second number children, first you take the decimal point in order. And decimal point before nothing but integral part is 16 like this. Decimal point before and decimal point after 0416. Decimal point should be in order while you are taking in columns children. Now here also decimal point first. Decimal point left side integral part 310. Okay. You arrange from left to right, right to left children better. Next decimal part left to right here. 1, 8, 4, 2 here. Let's add this. Yeah, here. How to add here? Now, here we don't have the digits children. So, we can keep the zeros here. Now let's add here column 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 children. So I am writing here 8. Now 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 means 3 here, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 and 1 carry here. Now 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Now decimal point in order in answer also. Now 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 0, 12 children. So 2 here, 1 carry, 2 digit number of 12. Now 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 here. And here 0 plus 3 is 3. So when you are adding this, then what you are getting here? 332.6538 here. The answer is 332.6538. So the sum of these three numbers is 332.6538. Come on, let's do the subtraction children. Subtract 614.8 from 709.003. First, from after number we need to take here. First, in the first place, while you are arranging in columns, 709.003. 003. And next digit which is from before number. So point should be in order. I told you know here. Point left side integral part is 614 children. Point after nothing but decimal part 0.8. The point decimal point should be in order while you are arranging in columns in addition or in subtraction also. Now here digits we don't have children. We don't have the digits means we can take the zeros here. Now 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 itself. And 0 minus 0, 0. And 0 minus 8. It's not possible children. 0 is smaller than the 8. So we need to take the borrow here. So if I am taking the borrow, it will be 8 and it will be 10. Now 10 minus 8, 2. Point. 8 minus 4, 4. And 0 minus 1, again it's not possible. We need to take the borrow here. So here 6 and here 10. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the difference of this? 94.209. So here 94.209. Come on, let's do the multiplication children here. These two numbers has given decimal numbers. 0.416 into 2.09. Okay. Two decimal numbers given children. The decimal part we can take, decimal point we will keep at last in the answer. First let's take as a normal numbers here. 0.416 into 209. Yes children. 9 6 are 54. So 54 means, so 4 I am taking here and this 5 as a carry on the before place. Now 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 5. 9 ones are 9 plus 5. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 I am getting children. 14 means here 4 and 1 as a carry. Now after adding this carry you can cancel children. Why? Because if you get the more carries upon that you will get confused to add. So after adding immediately you can cancel this. Now 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1. So 37. So 37 over here. 37 again 2 digit number 7 here and 3 carry here. Okay. Now 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Now let's multiply by the 0 which is second digit. So 10th digit you are multiplying means in the answer also you need to leave this place here. Now 0 6 are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 4s are 0 and 0 zeros are 0. Now I am multiplying by the 2 children. So 2 is a 100 digit no. So you need to write the answer also from the hundreds place means you need to leave the 2 digits. Now 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 means 2 digit number no. 2 here and carry on the before which is on the 1. Now 2 ones are 2 and we need to add this carry children. Already we added this carry, that's why we cancel. So to avoid that confusion only we have cancelled that. Now 2 ones are 2 plus this carry you need to add 1, means 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So I am writing here 3 and cancel this. Now 2 fours are 8. We don't have a carry here, so as it is 8. So 2 zeros are 0. Come on, let's add these all products. This is the product of 9. The first number by the 9. This is the product. First number by the 0 and first number by the 2. Let's add these. Come on here. Here 4 and here 4. 7 plus 0 7 plus 2 9. And here 3 plus 0 3. 3 plus 3 6. Now 0 plus 8 8 and here 0. And now children, we need to keep that till now we didn't complete. We need to keep the decimal point. Where you will get the decimal point? See, the first number has 1 2 3. 3 decimal places, means 3 digits before point we have. And coming to second number we have 1 2 2 decimal points. Here 3 decimal places and here 2 decimal places. Total 5 decimal places we need to take off before point. Before digits, 5 digits before you need to keep the point children. Means in the decimal part we need to take 5 digits. Okay. So 5 digits means 1 2 3 4 5. Here you will get the point children. Okay. So the answer, the product will be 0.86944. So product of these two numbers will be 0.86944. And if you have only one digit in the first number only, we have the point means count here how many 3 digits before means you need to keep 3 digits. If you have two numbers, decimal point means 3 digits here and 2 digits here. Total 5 digits before you need to keep the decimal point in the final product, final answer. Now coming to the division here. Divide 21.14 by 7 table. Let's divide here. This is the dividend number 21.14 and that is a divisor number 7. Now how many digits we need to divide here? 1 digit, 2. 2 is smaller than the 7 children, so it's not possible. Now here in the first step we are dividing 2 digits which is 21. So in the 7 table will you get the 21 children? Yes, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. 3 times you are getting. So 7 threes are 21. Now 0 and here 0. Now I am taking next digit 1 down children. But here the next digit is decimal point after. Here we have decimal point in the dividend. Okay. So decimal point when you are taking the digit of after decimal point. So we need to keep that decimal point in the quotient. Means 3 point we need to keep. Okay. Now here 7 ones are 7 will be the bigger. So 7 zeros are 0 we need to take. So 1 and bringing down the 4 here. Now 14 it became. So 7 twos are 14. So 0. So we got the answer as 3.02 here. So the answer will be 3.02. Yes children, I hope you understood the concept which I given the revision on decimals. See, I am going to conduct a test on decimals children. Practice well. All the best. Thank you children.